Marcita B here, self-proclaimed hardest working girl in crochet braids and queen of crochet. Now, I'm often asked here on my channel about how water affects your crochet braids. Can you swim in crochet braids? Can you shampoo your hair while you have your crochet braids installed? And what about pre-soaking? Now, I usually come back with the same response. If we're talking about synthetic hair or a mod acrylic, basically very fine vinyl fiber or plastic, water should not affect that curl pattern at all. Now, personally, I have definitely pre-soaked synthetic hair before in the apple cider vinegar and water solution and had no problems at all. But I have yet to actually swim with crochet braids or shampoo my head when I had a full set of crochet braids in. So today, I'm gonna put that question to the test. So I am still wearing the sensational Lulutress Island Twist 18 cut shoulder length, and I did install this hair on an old cornrow base, probably at least 2 to 3 weeks old. Have been doing a lot of sweating, so I could definitely use a little shampoo. And after 1 week, this hair does seem like it could be a little on the frizzy side, so I think this will be a good style to test with the shampoo. Now, I'm gonna step over to the kitchen sink and do this old school because trust, you do not want to see me in a shower scene anyway. So just follow me.
I am all lathered up for the second time and ready to rinse. I am gently squeezing out the water now and trying not to over manipulate the synthetic hair.
You too, I'm all shampooed and rinsed. And just wrap the towel around this wet crochet hair. And now we are going to let it air dry. Should take, I would say, at least an hour. I'm not going to put anything on it right now. Just going to simply let it air dry. For maybe the next hour, hour and a half, 2 if needed. And I'll be back to let you know how it held up, so stay tuned. YouTube, I'm back and this hair looks just as good as it did before I shampooed it. It's nice and dry. It took about 2.5 hours for it to completely dry out. And I've not put anything on it, but I'm getting ready to throw some of my BRX braid spray on it, as well as my mixture of essential oils, favorite essential oils, to moisturize my scalp. So if there was any doubt, this demonstration has proved that you can get your crochet braids completely soaked. Just let them air dry and voila, they are good as new. That'll do it for this video too, YouTube. If you have any questions, comments, you know what to do. Post those down below. And before I leave, please check out my new channel, Marcita B Amazon Addict. I just posted a video there earlier today. Fiber versus falsies. You want to know what that's all about? Head on over to Marcita B Amazon Addict and check that out. I'm out on this channel though for now. YouTube, you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.